The Argo 500 takes the beltless system to the next level. The direct mechatronic movement system of the XY axis has replaced the belts from the 3D printing process. The helical rack and pinion work at high temperature. This ensures the positioning precision of 10 micron and allows to sustain speed of up to 5,000 millimeters per minute. Unlike systems equipped with belts, the maintenance operation consists in simply applying a thin layer of grease once a month. This significantly reduces downtime as there is no need for calibration. You can expect the same production process for years to come. The automatic calibration system of the Z-axis allows to set the machine to 0, giving a position of the extruder with respect to the build plate in an automatic, controlled, and consistent manner over time. The process is repeatable and does not depend on any type of extruder or the print nozzle or polymetric film, therefore is repeatable over time, and eliminates manual operations, making the process completely automatic. The system is patent pending. Like the Argo 350, the Argo 500 solution can produce superpolymers and composite materials such as PEEK, Ultem, Carbon PEEK in the same patent-pending extrudant system called HVP extruder. The device designed to facilitate the printing of high-viscosity polymers. The compressed air cooling system allows you to manage long prints with extrusion temperatures up to 450 degrees Celsius, ensuring low dimensional tolerances and reducing the shrinking of the material. The extruders are powered by a closed system, promptly cooled and consisting of 2 gears which have been treated to resist wear and heat for feeding the filament into the extruder. This state-of-the-art feeder guarantees excellent grip for all material and pulling force of 10 times greater than generated by traditional systems. The result is optimized polymer flow, which will extrude the heavy viscosity material with a 0.4 millimeter nozzle for unprecedented print quality. The insulated stainless steel heated chamber of the Argo 500 is capable of reaching temperatures of 180 degrees Celsius. In just 2 hours, the air presented in the chamber is removed by a collector positioned at the bottom of the chamber. It is brought up to temperature and returned through the holes on the sides of the walls. The introduction of the hot air from both sides allows the development of a consistent thermal flow throughout the build chamber. This helps with avoiding possible shielding that would occur with unidirectional flow and more parts arranged on the plates. In addition, the presence of the thermal regulator allows for controlled cooling ramps at the end of the print, so as to integrate with the annealing process. Instead of glass plates or having to lay down glue on build plates, the Roboze system uses polymetric film held in position by suction through a vacuum system. This solution speeds up and simplifies the setup operation, which allows you to keep the tolerances low, avoiding any deformation even at high temperatures, up to 180 degrees Celsius. Each filament is associated with a special polymetric film which guarantees perfect adhesion of the first layer. The build plate of the Argo 500 is 500 by 500 by 500 millimeter. It is supported by auto leveling system that guarantees a perfect level between the printing surface and the extruder carriage, correcting any thermal expansion and mechanical deformation. The Roboze HT filament dryer system is fully integrated within the Argo 500 and allows drying of the material in a completely managed system, ensuring complete automation of filament loading and end of material control. It is possible to completely integrate the system in the printer, and it is possible to enable automatic filament loading and control end of filament sensors. The result is a level of high quality 3D printing with an ability to accelerate the production phase and increase the speed of the pre-printing operations. To certify the final product according to pre-established quality standards, Roboze has introduced a print log system for the Argo system, created for monitoring and analyzing the operations performed by the machine during production. All processes with their respective values are tracked to identify any anomalies and to be able to guarantee a product compliance over time.